Hello guys, welcome to Generation Unravel. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can change your Steam account name. And to be honest, it's actually a really easy process and it wouldn't really take that long. All you need to do is head over to your Steam. I'm currently here on Steam. You can either head over now to your name, which you can find here, or this one here on the manage account on the top right corner of your screen. What you're gonna do next is just click on it and head over to view my profile. Once you're here, you're going to see your profile, and here you'll see your name, which is my name is Kaswim. And what you're gonna do next is head over to edit profile, and now up to heading there is down here. You can now change your profile name. Just write anything you want. Let's just say I want to change it to cat. Simple as that. Now head down and now just click on save, and as you can see, your name is now changed to cat. Even this one here is changed to cat. And that is it. That's how you change your name on Steam. I hope this video helped you. Like, comment, subscribe if it did. This is Generation Unravel, and see you in the next one. Bye bye.